What we're going to do is check out this lobby. It's the lobby area over here. Exchange cash over here. And then there's a salon back this way. An espresso area. I haven't been back here yet, but I'll show y'all. It's kind of quiet and empty back here, but we'll move forward. So here we enter the lobby once again. We check in over there. The bakery is to my right. Coming through the front entrance here. Concierge service to the right there. The bar is right here in front of us. Lovely bar. Look at the decor. You go upstairs to the second floor. There's some restaurants up that way. Also here we have St. George's Bar. Nice little bar. Get a couple of drinks. Finish off your night there. If you look at the hours, they got live music. Who knew? Which looks like it's going on now. So also breakfast buffet. You come over here. It's a whole big buffet. Get what you want. I'm not gonna go in there now. This St. George's Bar because I don't want to bother people. They also got a Hilton's Grand Vacation here, always. They're gonna find a way. Then we got Hiltopia. As you see, it's a shopping arcade. It's like a little mall down there. It also connects to the subway station. So it's an easy way to get to Shinjuku station from here. It only takes about like 10 minutes. So, as you can see, very open here, very lovely, very peaceful. Gets kind of busy here though. Check-in is over there. Coming from outside. There's actually a bus that helps run you to the Shinjuku station. So if you wanted to go to the Shinjuku station, there's a bus that takes you directly there, so you don't have to worry about any connecting routes or stuff like that. They have cardio. They have a swimming pool. Let's see. Gotta use my key. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Hello? There we go. Now we're in. So, as I was saying before, we got the gym here. The gym is open 24/7. Come on down. They got more equipment this way. They have a steam room. What we got going on there? Let me make sure no one's in here before I come in there. There's cardio and strength room. Get cardio and strength room in here. You can get a good workout, as you can see. It's 10:55 here, so obviously this is why it's empty. Unless you're really a gym rat, you'll come up in here and get your workout on. As you can see, the pool is closed right now. The pool closes at 10. So it just closed. Not that big of a pool, but it'll do while you're on a little vacation or whatever the case may be. Get access to more. They also have a tennis court, but it's up top. Not too sure I'm gonna have access to that, but we will see. Give you a better view of the cardio room. Not a lot of equipment, but enough. Alright, so here's a strength room. Decent amount of weights. They seem kind of heavy. What is this? 22 kilos. Oh yeah. So yeah. Alright, let's head on out. Some lockers here, you can lock your things away. They check you in here. Go go back that way up the stairs, there's a tennis court and a pickleball court outdoor. So around this time of year, which is the winter right now, it's kind of cold and breezy, but they'll still let you play. Just like, you know, where everything's at. Tennis court, free weights, the lockers, reception, cardio and strength that we saw in the swimming pool. So, you know. All right, heading back to my room, guys. Obviously in Tokyo. Here's the bathroom. Very lovely bathroom here. Rainfall shower, good water pressure, Crabtree, Evelyn products, as always with these Hilton products. Nice bathroom. Comes, shockingly enough, some of your ladies will like this. Some of your men will too. With a Dyson hair dryer. Who would have thought? Nice. Now, when you come to Tokyo, you gotta know, comes with a nice bidet. Whew. Using this, game changer. Let me tell you. All right, so next we're gonna go into the room here. A couple different functions, little drawers to provide you with some storage. Also great. Don't mind the room is lived in. Closet here comes with a safe. They give you slippers. They give you their version of a robe. And this is actually the King Executive room. We got upgraded being a gold member. It's always a good perk to have. The mini bar, they refill it every 3 days. They put a couple different things in there. Asian beer. Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. For the guys that like Pepsi, you gotta have to figure it out. You gotta figure it out. I don't know what to tell you. You got your tea here. You got your coffee maker there. You have bottles of water here. Not this is included. This is not included. This is mine. So this is here. Comes with also a bottle opener. So if you want to get a bottle of wine for somewhere and bring it in. The bed, as you know, being a king executive room, it's king size bed. You don't really find this size of room in Tokyo, Japan. Also comes with a wireless charger. That's very nice. Like I said, this room is updated from the other rooms. So if you try to get a room that's on a higher floor, you'll get lounge access. Also, you'll get the more upgraded room. Here's that. The TV, decent size, but you're in Tokyo. You're going to be out eating sushi and ramen and running the streets so much. TV is not needed. Don't mind the wife there. Just like most wives, she's trying to book a trip while we're on a trip. And here's the view. Nice city view from the 32nd floor. This is room 3206, the Hilton Tokyo King Executive Room. So try to get something like this if you're looking forward to more space, if you're used to the bigger rooms. Comes with an ironing board, an iron. That's good things, a lot of outlets here. Yeah, so great room to use. Great room to kind of like rest your head in, get up and reset. A lot of outlets, great big mirror, and you're good to go. Oh, also, forgot to mention, comes with little cups. So they got you covered here. Anything that you need, the concierge service downstairs helps you out as well.